Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 206. The railway engineer is concerned more or less with block signals, heating apparatus, Bessemer steel, and vacuum brakes, while the mechanical engineer pays special attention to automatic apparatus, combustion chambers, exhaust valves, low pressure cylinders, and high pressure cylinders, mechanical stokers, side feed lubricators, and water cooling plants. He has to consider the advantages and disadvantages of the lever and weight safety valve and the spring balance safety valve, and also of the surface condenser, which is a device employed for condensing exhaust steam without mixing it with cold water. The method is now universally used in marine engines. Full stop.